In this video, I'm going to show you guys my new shipment of wigs from all the sponsors. And we're going to take a look at them and see what we're working with this week. So, listen, I have a bunch. I didn't even open them yet, so I don't know what I have, but I have a lot, so I should have some options. All right, so real quick, I'm going to explain like how my channel operates and how I make money from my channel, right? So companies overseas send me their products in order for me to review them, show my audience how to use them at home or on their clients, and they pay me to make content. So I'm gonna show you guys some of the wigs that I get in the mail. And this is the first one. All right, so am I gonna have to use scissors for this? Okay, we got something. All right, so this package is from Curls Queen. Thank you so much, Curls Queen, for your goodies. Let's see what they sent me. Oh, I think these are bundles. Oh snap, these are thick. Okay, so Curls Queen Company sent me these two amazing looking bundles. And you know, I normally use wigs on my channel, so I'm gonna have to see what I'm gonna do with these. Y'all, look how thick these bundles are. Like, this is a long weft. Yes, I'm loving it. All right, do I have anything else? Like, do I have a frontal or something? Okay, they sent me some goodies. I have a brush and a bonnet. So you know what I'm thinking? I might do either like pigtails and wrap these bundles around them so they're nice and full, or I can do a half up, half down hairstyle with these. I can really do a lot of stuff with this, so I'm gonna give it some thought. But once again, thank you so much, Curls Queen. I'm gonna do something cute with these bundles. All right, next, open this up. Okay. Yes! Oh, wait, what? Oh. Y'all, this is an order from Galaxy Girl. I forgot. I had to do a refund and I couldn't ship it back to my vendor, so it had to be shipped to me. So I basically have two, 40-inch bundles that I didn't want. And what is this, a 30-inch blonde wig? So I'm gonna have to figure out what I can do with this. I don't know why this person ordered black bundles and a blonde wig, but whatever, I'm gonna find something to do with this. I might give it away, I don't know. We'll see about that. All right, second, we have All Love. Thank you so much, All Love. Let's see what they gave me. Oh, it's a lot of goodies in here. Whoa. It's busting out with the goodies. Okay. So they sent me some cute stuff. Bonnet, a scarf. Yeah, I know. And this wig, looking nice already. I already see it. So this is, what is this, a loose wave, or what is it, a deep curly? I'm not really sure, but it's really cute. Lace front unit. Okay, I wonder if they're gonna let me dye this. I might want to do like a burgundy or a orange or something, right? Okay, this is really cute. Thank you so much, All Love, for sending me this. Listen, it's all love over here, okay? All right. In this box we have, can I get a drum roll? Okay, no, for real, how you open this? You know, just the barbaric way. All right, so here we have Miss Coco. I've definitely worked with Miss Coco in the past, so I've known them to have pretty nice quality wigs. They have some instructions in here so you don't mess up your wig. And this is another curly unit. This one's looks like it's a little bit longer. These curls, this doesn't look the exact same as the other one. I wonder, maybe when this one is wet, it might look a little looser than the last one I pulled out. But I see that this one has a pre-customized hairline and some baby hairs on there that may not make it through, you know, my plucking, but it's all good. So this one's really cute. Thank you so much, Miss Coco. This is a 22-inch water wave. That's what it says. All right. Next, we have Natural Hair Slay Your Beauty. Oh, Slay Your Beauty. This is definitely a new company. All right. Oh, 28 inch. I love it when they send me a long wig. I love it. All right, so this one is body wave. Okay. Loving it already. This is a full lace. 13 by 6 on the middle and probably 13 by 4 on the sides. So I think all of these are pretty much pre-customized on the hairline. But you know, I'll be doing my little thing, my little breezy sprinkle, my little, you know what I'm saying? My customization and my bleaching and plucking and stuff like that. But I like that these come halfway pre-customized, because sometimes I get wigs that are super thick and that take like an hour for me to pluck and it be hurting my fingers and my wrist. And I be like, can y'all like even try to pluck this? So pre-customized, thumbs up. 28-inch body wave from Slay Your Beauty. Thank you so much. I am tempted to do some highlights in this, or like a patch of blonde or something in the front. We gonna think of something to do with this wig because I'm seeing nothing but opportunity. We are on to our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th wig. This one, okay, ouch. Okay, I'm doing too much now. This one is from You Pretty, cause girl, you pretty. Okay, period. I've definitely worked with them in the past as well. So let's see what they gave me today. All right, so another curly. Okay, I'm gonna be doing a lot. Oh, this one's curlier than the last two. I can tell I'm gonna have a lot of wet and wavy on my channel in the next couple weeks, so watch out for that. And pre-customized hairline per usual. Thank you guys. Yes, nice and bouncy, really soft. And this one is a 20-inch, but honestly, I mean, I don't know what type of 20-inch this is. This looks like a 24. It could even pass for a 26 because it's so curly. Like when you pull it out, it's kind of long. So I definitely appreciate the extra inches, you know what I'm saying? Under promise, over deliver, you know what I'm saying? They got the marketing down pat. All right, let's open up our 6th wig. Is it sixth our sixth wig. My list does not make that any easier, by the way. All right. So here we have, oh, this is Tenache. I know it is. I know this box from anywhere. Tenache! I've been doing this for a long time, guys. All right. So, okay. Something different, finally. Okay, we have a Body Wave chocolate brown unit. Full lace wig. I'm liking this one. This makes me want to put highlights in it just because it's brown. Like, oh, I can definitely see. Oh, this was 26 inch. But yes, maybe a platinum stripe in the middle of this one. That might look really cute. Or I can just dip it in red dye and make it like a deep burgundy instead of dyeing one of the other wigs. So this one's really cute. I'm gonna ask the company if I can dye it. If I can't, then I'm gonna keep it chocolate. It's okay. Because that color is really cute regardless. All right, our seventh wig, look, already has a hole in it. So that gives me easy access. We have Elfin hair. I've worked with Elfin like a year or two ago, like a long time ago. So I'm kind of shocked that I have a wig from them. So I'm excited to see this. I don't want to break the box, but I think I already did. Loving it. Looks really long. I love my long wigs. Okay, this one looks like a loose wave type of curl, which I'm liking. Oh, and it's a closure. So this one can be worn glueless, and oh my gosh, it's so thick. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with this one. Wait, can I put it on me? No, for real. Okay. Put my dreads back. Okay. Let me take this and maybe pull it to the side. Okay. Yeah, my dreads are too bulky for this, but I'm loving this wig. I love how thick it is. I mean, it's super soft. I'm gonna love installing this. I like installing closures on my channel because they're super quick anyway. So thank you so much, Elfin, for this lovely lace closure wig. I wonder who's gonna get this one. Okay, they sent me a little makeup box bag with some lashes and probably some other goodies. What is this, a comb, a scarf, some edges, honey. Okay. Nice. All right, y'all, last but not least, we have our very last wig for today. All right. Okay. Y'all probably can't see it as well as I can, but it's like a nice little gold dust looking box. This one is from I Define Natural, IDN. So let's see what they gave us. Okay. They got the knots, okay, you know what I'm saying? They got the best knots in a knot. Get. Some goodies, some hair accessories. Oh my God! Okay, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. They knew how to come. They knew how to show up today. Okay. These highlights are so, oh my God, this wig is so soft. How did they dye this wig blonde and make it so soft? There's some platinum highlights in the front and some honey blonde highlights in the back. It's nicely blended. It's highlighted all the way through and not just the front of the wig or the top of the wig. And this wig is super soft. Whoa. I've never worked with this company before, but this is a good company. This hairline is customized for the gods, okay? Thank you so much. Now, I don't think I'm gonna have to do anything. The knots are already bleached and it's already plucked. IDN, listen, you fighting your way to the #1 spot, okay? I can tell what y'all doing. So this wig is amazing. Oh, I wish I could just see what it would be like. But it's okay. All right, you guys. So that was a little sneak peek of some of the wigs that I get on my channel. I know y'all never see the wigs before I actually like do my tutorials. So you can see how they come to me in the mail. And you know, some people be like, oh my gosh, they give influencers better wigs than they give their clients and stuff. But y'all, it's not really that. It's just that I'm a whole hairstylist out here and I can make damn near anything look amazing. Sometimes you just have to put a little bit more love in the wigs and customizing it to make it look natural. And you know, like, just maybe you gotta pay your hairstylist to make it look amazing, you know? So thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Make sure you stay tuned for the future tutorials that I'm going to be doing working with these lovely brands. Y'all do a great job. And yeah, I need to find some models, okay? So if you're not subscribed already, make sure you go ahead and do that. Turn on your notifications and I'll see y'all in the next video or tutorial.
I'm on my selfish shit. It got to niggas in there crying. I bet you still work. I ain't got no time for no fucking love songs.
Now, I don't want to like call nobody out or nothing, but like, does Tenache know she's the brand ambassador and the whole name? Like, is she getting paid for this? Is my Aquarius sister getting paid for this? Let me mind my business, okay?